In celebration of National Community Health Center Week, the Alameda Health Consortium and the Community Health Center Network extend our appreciation to all clinic staff. While some individuals are receiving special recognition today, we want to congratulate all of you for your dedication and commitment to community-based health centers and the health of our communities. This reception is in your honor.
Our award for mission-minded focus goes to Erica Gomes, who came to us 5 years ago as an integrated behavioral health supervisor. Driven by social justice, she is compassionate in her work and continuously strives for excellence. She's our lead supervisor for a team of over 30 clinicians and case managers at 15 sites. Erica is uniquely able to hold clinicians to a high standard and at the same time create a safe and sacred place where clinicians can share their own perceptions and feelings, which is so critical to identifying how to best serve patients. She's always gone above and beyond the call of duty. Thank you, Erica. Our outstanding employee this year is Marcus Robles, who has been with La Clinica since 2012, and in his time here, he has proven to be an invaluable asset to our team. As our lead IT technician, Marcus is at the forefront of technical problem solving for La Clinica. Marcus is always ready and willing to step in at a moment's notice for any issue or any outage. Recently, he worked for several weeks resolving issue after issue in order to complete a migration to the dental-dentric system. No matter the scope of the task or the time of the day, Marcus is there tirelessly working, often over weekends, late into the night, and into the early mornings as well, to ensure that La Clinica can deliver services to our patients seamlessly. Marcus is dependable, he's thoughtful, he's considerate, and consistently goes out of his way to provide above and beyond support for our organization, and always with good humor and a smile. Thank you, Marcus. Outstanding results. It's my pleasure to present that to Steve Schiff. Steve has been working at La Clinica for the past 13 years and stepped into the Associate Medical Director role 3.5 years ago. In that period of time, Steve has built a strong clinical leadership team and has leveraged his team to create outstanding access for our patients. Transit Village Family Medicine has expanded access both in time and in space, with substantially increased evening clinic hours, as well as overseeing the conversion of medical record space to an urgent care clinic. Under Steve's leadership, Transit Village Family Medicine has substantially exceeded its budget target by over 30%, and this past fiscal year, Transit Village Family Medicine provided over 41,000 visits, a new record for La Clinica. Steve, no doubt, is a tireless advocate for the department, for the staff, and for our patients. And he's fun-loving, creative, and sometimes goofy, but he brings joy into the daily work and into the lives of our patients. Thank you, Steve. We love you.
Oakland Chinatown faces a critical moment as community residents are threatened by economic insecurity, public safety issues, poor quality of life, and unaffordable housing, all of which impact the health outcomes of Asian Health Services patients. A lack of open space and poorly maintained parks negatively impact Oakland Chinatown. Madison Park, one of the two main parks located in Oakland Chinatown, has suffered from the lack of basic park services, leading it to be vastly underutilized and contributes to the blight of the neighborhood. Still, many community members have a desire to use the open space as a place to convene and participate in cultural activities. Community members regularly hold Qigong and Tai Chi classes on weekday mornings, but are slowly facing challenges for continued use due to the poor park conditions. To address the lack of open space, maintain parks, and the negative impact of Chinatown, a group of dedicated Asian Health Services staff from the Community Services and Specialty Mental Health departments partner with the Asian Prisoner Support Committee to revitalize the park by holding monthly community fairs and inclusive activities at this park. These activities bring hundreds of community members to the park, catalyze cultural and arts programs, and work towards restoring Madison Park as one of the premier parks in Oakland Chinatown. The team has engaged a number of different partners, including legal assistance, cultural arts, housing development, and faith-based organizations, the Alameda Food Bank, as well as a number of local elected officials. They have also helped to plant and water trees for park beautification, advocated with city officials for greater resources and park services, and worked to promote future park investment and development. The work of the Madison Park Revitalization Team is a model for impacting patient and community health by addressing social determinants of health.
This year, Tri-City Health Center Senior Management Team has identified several outstanding departments and staff. While we can't honor them all here at this event, we will be recognizing them at an upcoming agency event. Today, we would like to acknowledge 2 outstanding departments and 1 employee. Ms. Ileana Rodriguez is our Central Office Manager. As Central Office Manager, her position is responsible for the organization and coordination of our operations, our procedures, and resources to facilitate organizational effectiveness and efficiencies. Ileana is responsible for directing and coordinating office services and the related activities involved with that. She provides supervision of the administrative assistant team of 6 to ensure proactive, timely results required by senior management. Ileana also oversees and maintains a standard of quality for all communications, written, verbal, that originate from the executive team. Ileana, on behalf of Tri-City Health Center staff, we want to thank you for your contributions to our success. The Information Systems Department is dedicated to make sure that all staff and members of the Board of Directors have the information needed to produce the best quality of work and in a timely manner. As the Health Center continues to embrace the challenges ahead of us, this team of 6 has demonstrated a can-do attitude while remaining incredibly positive. It is this infectious commitment to excellence that compels Tri-City Health Center to overwhelmingly vote Outstanding Department of 2018 to the Information Systems Department. Job well done. The Compliance and Quality Department is being recognized for their outstanding services under the leadership of Director Shanita Hertzkins. This department's work is reflective of the high-quality performance of our organization. The Compliance and Quality Department is responsible for implementing and maintaining the requirements for compliance as well as quality improvement across all of our clinic sites and the administrative level, which includes the planning, organizing, developing, coordinating, and yes, directing quality assessments. Under the directorship of Ms. Hertzkins, this department has assured activities and programs remain in compliance with federal, state, and local standards, as well as the guidelines and regulations that has ensured the highest degree of quality patient care and services. Under her leadership, this department has provided Tri-City with awards and recognitions for quality services, as well as the success in our most recent HRSA audit. On behalf of Tri-City Health Center staff and board, we thank you for ensuring the success and the future of Tri-City Health Center.
At Tiburcio Vasquez Health Centers, we are committed to ensuring access for our patients to care, even if we can't provide the service in our own clinics. When referrals to outside specialists are needed, the Tiburcio Vasquez referrals team is instrumental in assisting our providers and patients through the process. As experts in insurance eligibility, specialty provider networks, and customer service, our referral specialists play an integral role in our care delivery. By getting all new referrals processed within 48 hours, these dedicated individuals help over 25,000 patients per year receive the care they need in a timely manner. This year we offer a special tribute to Genevieve Jenny Malling, who led the WIC program at Tiburcio Vasquez Health Centers for over 20 years. Jenny passed away rather suddenly in May of this year. Jenny was a nutritionist who nurtured the community. Her impact on those she served is literally immeasurable. Her humble spirit and kind and thoughtful leadership meant so much here at TVHC, particularly to the staff that she led, as she was sensitive to their needs and their professional growth. Jenny was a woman of faith and had a deep, abiding, and vibrant faith in the Lord Jesus Christ. Her enduring legacy is that she cared deeply about people. She loved her neighbor and her community as herself, and she truly served them with the heart of a servant. Jenny stands as an inspiration and an example to all of us by putting her faith into action, both in her community service and in her exceptional leadership of the WIC program at TVHC.